So I'm working on babetta 210 from Denmark and started to paint myself using spray can paint. So my preparation was to sand the old paint out and then clean it, wash it, and slowly, piece by piece. Today is a very hot day, so I can see it's actually becoming good. I can see some sand on it, I think, which could be, I could sand it and then polish it. That would be the after stuff. But you could see that that's how it looks like, and I'm slowly painting this stuff. So my approach is one thing at a one time. I'm working on the front, so I remove a lot of things from the front, and then I will move back from front to the backward. Could see I did mistake some here. I could see a runny paint down, but that's it's my first time, so don't have much expectation, but at least it's getting somewhere. So that's the progress. You can do it by yourself using spray can. It's very much possible. So I have successfully painted the white tank, and now I'm gonna work on this one. So the key is remove all the paint, burn down the paint, scratch the paint, scrub the paint, make it clean. Now what you can see here, I need to sandpaper a little bit before I put the primer. So that will be the next step, and here now you can see it's looking shiny. Slowly it is getting there. So I've been doing this white spray paint. I should have made this video from the start when I was doing primer, so you could see that this is how the primer looks, and this is what I put first. So you could just see that I just put the first coat, and I'm gonna let it a little bit dry before I start putting a second coat. So what I do with the spray paint, I'm actually doing it from a little bit distance, because I realize if I come closer in this distance, what happened is that I leave a running paint, and I don't want to do it. I did it on my tank, and that's annoying. I have to sand it and grind it and then do the paint all over again. But with this one, I'm quite taking it slow. I could see that I put a lot of primer, which is quite good, and even just the first coat, I could see the paint is becoming as good. So I'm gonna try to do the second coat, so you can see how I do it. It's quite a distance here from where I do my hands like this. I do waste a lot of paint, but that's an easy technique for me actually to do a better job. I do shake my can while I'm doing it. Oh no, I just got a fly on my thing here. It's not a good idea. So there was a fly just sat on it. this is my second coat. I will put maybe 3 to 4 coats on it. With this technique you might lose a lot of paint, but you will actually get a really good result. Alright, so I'm gonna let it dry 5 minutes before I will put another round, or in the meantime I can actually do the paint on here, on this thing. So I got a lot of stuff here. So I'm gonna just show you, I keep it like this distance. So that's my first coat. Now I'll go from the other side. Well, what I'm doing is I'm making the spray to go on that way. Just gonna move in this direction just so I don't destroy my other paint. As long as you keep the distance, you will not have running paint, and you need to the primer helped me to understand where I'm missing. So now you can see the result. All I need to do is just wait a little bit and then come and do the second coat. This is how you can paint with the spray can paint. New renovations done on babetta. Just changed the handlebar. Looks much better. Just did some clear coat and have painted my hub as well. So that's the new update from So I've been working on my babetta and now you can see the results. The white paint look amazing. I have also painted the front part as well. Just waiting for the dry. Probably I'm gonna put it tomorrow. Buy some new screws so it will all look clean. But that's how the result is. That's how what I bought, and that's how it is looking now. Slowly and slowly things are getting better. Seat cover needs to be upgraded or the whole seat needs to be changed, but getting there.